I got my older brother Adrian here.
I'm just infiltrating your unboxing because you infiltrated our meeting.
5712.
Yes, it is. Roman, good job.
All right, there's a lot of special things actually in this unboxing. I happen to notice. One of them happens to be a watch, which I probably think we're going to run into trouble. Well, this time we have the Day-Date Platinum with the Arabic numerals. If there's anybody out there that wants to argue that Rolex made this watch wrong, please call Rolex. Do not call Roman Sharf.
Call it. Shout out Siddiqui and Sons.
Yes, there you go. Now, explain the rarity of this and why this thing trades for so much more money than a regular
Basically,
Day-Date.
this is a 228-206 Platinum 40mm Day-Date. Obviously, as you can see, the Arabic numerals are different. This is made exclusively for the Middle East boutique. I believe Dubai actually only. So that's why it's so rare and expensive.
Which is why they made so many less of them. Speaking of Platinum Daytona, here's another Platinum Daytona. And this is just a regular Platinum Daytona. Not afraid to buy these up. I know the market has come down on these somewhat. And when the stock market is down, what do? You buy more.
You call your broker and be like, what the hell is wrong with my statement?
I did that this morning, actually.
You know what? He gave you a compliment. In a nutshell, what he had told you was, Roman, there's no need to pull cash out. You're too young. What are you going to do? That's what he did. He goes, you're not old enough. You don't need the cash. Just let it sit. Things are on sale.
Yeah, he's buying like crazy. That's why when you walked out, I continued talking to him. He's just buying.
I use him too. Shout out Robert Clemens.
There you go.
I use them as a stock recommendation.
Call your broker. Ooh.
I don't have a broker.
Ooh.
I've got to step away. I don't bite.
How much I love this concept. That blue, both front and back and everywhere else. Adrian, thoughts please.
I love this watch.
How many did they make of these?
It's not limited edition.
But it was a boutique edition or something. They only made
It is boutique edition. Everything is a boutique edition now. They'll have
That's
authorized dealers. No, it's a 26589 IO. I mean, I love this watch aesthetically. I love everything that it represents. The only problem, like I mentioned many times, is the wearability, and I hate it because I can't wear it. It's too big. Otherwise, if you have a nice sized wrist, this is probably the best bang you're gonna get for your buck.
I still, like I said, I know the concept is big for me and your wrist. I'll still wear it. I don't care.
Something that big, sandblasted, I prefer you not because you know Roman's be like,
True story. Here's an Adrian buy.
hell no, it ain't an Adrian buy.
Hold that. Well, you're lost for words. Reference number 1734 from Cartier. This is a limited edition platinum tank Americaine. They made 50 of these.
Oh, it's platinum.
For the
Okay, that's
London
pretty cool.
market.
That's pretty
and
cool.
these are pretty rare. And honestly, these have become more and more. I've seen older vintage Cartier tanks, tank Americaines, especially the limited ones, have really gone up in value over the last, and not just the last 2 years. They've just been climbing and climbing because people are realizing that this is iconic, it's super limited, it's super rare, and it's affordable.
Shout out US Customs.
Cartier Tank Americaine service, warranty, and receipts. Look at that.
Without any
Look at that, it's got everything. I am a fan of anything limited from Cartier because there's not a lot of it out there, especially anything from the Piguet collection. Next we have...
The box for the Cartier.
No. Oh, no. We have a Day-Date 36mm, one of Alex's favorite watches. Now, I told you guys we're gonna have some really cool stuff on this unboxing. And here's, I think, outside of the other the Platinum Daytonas and the Day-Date Arabic and all those other things, this is a watch I'm a big fan of, which is the Meteorite Dial Daytona in white gold. That dial is...
I'm happy they accepted our offer.
Yes.
I love this watch.
I absolutely love
It's
this
actually
watch.
a very clean unit. Almost 6509 with the Meteorite dial, so clean. I got a hot take for you. I prefer this Meteorite one to the new one.
I will...
This dial is better.
I will have to agree with you.
This dial is just better than the new one.
I will have to agree with you on that one. Let me just wrap that back up because you know I tend to scratch stuff.
Every meteor is unique.
That is true. That is very true. And supposedly, and now they're saying Rolex is running out of meteorite. And somebody commented the other day when I talked about it on Gray Market. They're like, there's so many meteorites on Earth. I'm like, yeah, but the one specific piece of meteorite they've been using for years was the same one this entire time. Did you know that?
I actually did not know that.
Now you do.
This is
Speaking
cool.
of rare stuff, now I'm gonna look at these papers real quick. Get the papers.
I checked it. I thoroughly examined, Roman, what we purchased.
I want to look at the papers. Now,
There it is.
So that's important. See what it says? That says Tiffany Co.
Devil's in the details.
Which means we have a very, actually sharp case, is super sharp. And we have a Tiffany & Co Pepsi. If you guys can zoom in on a dial, you can probably see that. Love these things.
What year is it from?
I'm gonna say 1984. Does it have a year?
X Serial doesn't have a year. Off the top of my head, I don't know what that is.
X Serial is,
You were not.
hold on.
Let's see.
Wait, what is
X Serial would be 96.
No.
it? 75.
Survey says 84.
1991. My
Oh, is this a birth year watch?
birth year.
Is this a birth year watch? You can't have it.
I'm buying a watch. I'm buying a house.
No, you're not. You're buying a house, so you're not buying anything. Audemars Piguet. Is that an elephant in the room? So somebody apparently put this on an, is that an orange strap, I'm guessing?
It actually looks real dope on a red strap.
See, my problem is I like the
No,
original
I hate
elephant
them.
hornback.
I hate hornbacks.
But
I hate
this
them
gray
all.
hornback is just, I love it.
It
So,
looks good, but it's the most uncomfortable strap ever produced.
hold on.
Would you like help with the unboxing, by the way? I'm just sitting here.
You just have to stand here and look pretty like you normally do.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Well, the box threw up on itself. All right.
Somebody throw this out, please. ASAP. What is this?
This is a 3900 in yellow gold.
Wow, it has the original receipt. Somebody bought this back in '87 for $12,000.
Yeah.
That was a great deal.
It's a good return on your investment, ladies
Yeah.
and gentlemen. It's a 3900. So
This is to certify that I have examined the following listed and described article appraised for blah 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 blah. One gents, okay, one gents yellow gold Patek Philippe bracelet wristwatch, Nautilus model, gray dial, style number 3900, and they appraised this at $20,000.
This was when.
While he paid 12. Makes no sense.
Moving on.
Let's move on to something just as special. You know what? Every watch is special. I know that sometimes we show these crazy watches and
Roman never met a watch he didn't like.
100%.
I've met many
I
watches
was
don't
just
like.
down in the safe. We have about 12 of these. Yeah, and various combinations, but we do have a lot of submariners, so we'll add one more, I guess. Does that have a card?
No card.
No card. It does have a link though.
Hence the fantastic deal we can provide to our clients.
Zenith. I think I just spit all over this as I was trying to blow away some stuff.
And it wipes right off.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do with it? It's worth more now. It's got the Roman.
Your net worth went up.
Audemars Piguet.
No, this looks like a Hublot. What's that edition? The Kaminsky.
Oh, Orlinsky.
Orlinsky, yes.
Yeah, it kind of does.
No, this is actually nice. The Zenith Defy Skyline
nice watch.
Automatic. It is a nice watch.
Nice watch.
What's the retail on this? Anybody remember? $8,000. So it's affordable too, because obviously this is good. But I do like this
There you
bracelet.
go, Nina. Look at that.
I do like this bracelet. This bracelet is it's made well. I mean, listen, look, at least the box is nice. Not like that Patek box that just literally fell apart on us. No, but this is a nice watch. This is a nice starter watch. What did you call it?
Audemars Piguet.
Audemars Piguet. That was funny actually. Adrian made it funny.
Adrian made it funny. Why are you saying it like you're surprised?
I'm not.
I'm pound for pound funnier than you. Another green box.
Ooh, this is nice. This is very
I
nice.
think this is the sexiest ladies offshore in a long time that they produced.
This
With
is
the white. I love it. For the summer.
the white, the blue,
For
the blue
summer, that
subdials.
shit is just so fire.
I
So
like
clean.
the fact that they did away with the rubber stuff. Because that
was terrible.
It wasn't. My wife,
got beat- just
my
got
wife
beat
has
up.
about 4 ladies offshores. This is her favorite brand, like just much like mine, and she likes the offshore. She has the Carbon, she has the Lady Alinghi, she has the Don Ramon de la Cruzovich.
Bitch.
Bitch.
See what you did there.
That's you see what I did there? The older ones, they had a rubber bezel. And after a while, I mean, I don't know about everybody else, but I know my wife seems to be a bit careless with her watches, so those rubber bezels do tend to get beat up. The best part about it is that they had diamonds on top, so it's only the side that really gets beat up. But the rubber bezel did add a little oomph to it, because the rubber bezels, like if this is a white watch, it would be white on the side. So it did add to the look. But practicality, all steel is obviously better. Beautiful watch. All right, last but not least, we have, oh, well, I know what the box is. You guys see that?
Lange and Sune.
So your girlfriend drives a Honda? No. Ooh, I think I know what this is by the look, by the fact that
It
these
is
are
a
brown.
Lange and Sune Hercules.
Okay.
Yo, what a guy.
Odysseus. Anybody know who Odysseus was?
He was a Greek. He was a mythological Greek creature, or mythological Greek.
Person, and they went on like a whole like adventure to get to deal with sirens and all that shit.
The dork.
Yeah, sorry.
Why you got? Why
I'm the petty king, bro.
so petty. It might be a head off. It's dirty. I don't know the hell you hanging out. There was a stretch of time where we had like 4 or 5 of them. And that was like 6 months ago. We haven't had one of these in a
Yeah,
long
I'll tell you
time.
why. Because the allocation of them is so scarce, and the wait time is like 3 years to get one of these.
It is comfortable, extremely comfortable actually.
I love it.
I do love this watch.
Don't understand why they do not produce a few more Odysseus variations. They did so well with it.
I mean,
to do it in a manner where they don't kill the market and overdo it, but they need a few more.
Maybe I should wear
iterations.
this instead of the
No,
RM.
please don't.
Okay. Because the RM I'm okay with.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's used. This is new.
Oh, okay. I did not know that. Anyway, so would like to thank everyone here today for joining me.
You're
for this
welcome.
unboxing. Thank you, Adrian, and thank you for all you guys that have joined us. Lots more special stuff to come. You know, another day at Luxury Bazaar brings lots and lots of cool things.